if x belonging to R, where x greater than 1 and less than 3, then 3x minus 1 belonging to what? We have the interval 1 less than x and less than 3. It's the interval from 1 and 3, open interval here. Okay, and 3x minus 1, put x equal 1 here, 3 times 1 equal 3, minus 1 it will be 2, and put 3 here, 3 times 3 9, 9 minus 1 it will be 8. Then we will have the interval from 2 to 8 will be opened interval. Opened interval, okay? Choose letter A. About question number 2, the image number 2, the range. Okay, the range of the third values, it will be what? The range will be maximum subtract by minimum value. Maximum here 9, subtract by minimum it will be 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Question number 3, half of, it's meaning half multiplication by 4 power 20. Half of this number we can write 4, it will be 2 power 2 or power 20 multiplication by half. And then write half here, 2 times 20, it will be 40. And then half here we can convert from fraction to exponential form, 2 power negative 1. 1 over 2, it will be 2 power negative 1, multiplication 2 power 40, and then write 240 minus 1, it will be 39. Then the result will be 2 power 39 here. Choose letter what? About question 3, letter B, okay? Question number 4. If x and y are two non-empty sets and number x2 equal 4 and the number of x product by y was 6, then number of y2 equal space. We know number of x2 equal 4, then number of x it will be 2, because 2 power 2 equal 4, and 2 times what equals 6? 2 times 3, then the number of set y equal 3 elements, then y power 2 it will be 3 power 3, it will be 9. The result will be 9. Choose letter B about question number 4. Okay, question number 5. If A product B over 3 equal E over 3, then B equal 1, because 1 over 3 times A it will be E over 3, put B here equal 1. Question 6. If X product Y equals 7, then Y direction with what? We have the relation between y and what? We can write x equal, or write y in the first, 7 over y. The verse inverse about y and x. You can write y here and here, x here as you like. It's replaced the verse relation between x and y. Then we can write y here. We have relation between constant here over x. Write the relation between 1 over x. We have cancelled this number, the constant and equal, and write this relation, this sign here, the relation between y and 1 over x. We have inverse, we have verse direction between y and x. Choose 1 over x. Choose letter A. Question number 2. If this order equals this order, find the value of x and y. We have the order of x plus 3 and 9 equals the order of 5 and y power 2. Then x plus 3 equal 5 and 9 equal y power 2. Then x equal 2. And y here equal positive negative square root of 9. Then y equal positive or negative 3. We have value of x and value of y. Okay, question letter B. If we have relation between y and 1 over x, it's inverse, but 1 and x, where y equal 4 when x equal 2, okay, we can find the constant to find the relation between x and y. Then y will be m over x, and m not equal 0, it's constant, okay? But in this example, x equal 2 when y equal 4. When x equal 2 and y equal 4. In this relation, put y equal 4, 4 equal m over x, x over 2, then m equal 2 times 4, it will be equal 8, then m here equal 8. Then the relation y will be equal 8 over x. It's the relation between y and x, okay? Number 2, you want to find the value of y when x equal 8. Put x equal 8 here, then y equal 8 over 8, it will be 1, then y equal 1. Y here, it will be equal 1. Question number 3. If x equals set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and our relation on x, where our relation here with a and b means a double b. Okay, we can find the relation a double b. It's meaning a equal twice b. And we can write the relation first order about the set 0 double itself, and 2 double 1, and 4 double 2, and 6 double 3. Okay, we have this relation 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then join in between each point and image, 0 to itself, 0 to itself here, and 2 with 1, and 4 with 2, and 6 with 3. Okay, it's a relation. Right R as a set ordered by ratios function or not function. It's not function because 5 hasn't image in itself. We have in the relation here. Right, R is not a function because the elements 1, we have 5 here, and 1 and 3 haven't image in the relation on x. Okay, because elements we can write 1, 3 and 5 haven't images haven't images in x. We haven't images in x. Okay, we haven't image in x. Question here, number 3. Letter A. If x equal, okay, we have another question. Okay, another question about this example. He won't find is 2 relation with 4 or not 2, not relation with 4, but 4 relation with 2. Okay, so this question is 2 relation with 4. We can write no here. No. Question 3, find the value of x if 6 relation with x. 6 relation with x is 6 double what? Double 3. Then x here will be equal 3 because he tell us the relation. First, a twice b, okay, or a double b, twice, double or twice. 6 twice what? 6 twice 3. Then x here will be equal 3. Question letter B, if P is the middle proportional between A and C, then prove that left hand side equal right hand side. Okay. Question letter B, look at with me about SIPs, such that E over P equal P over C. I will put here M because he tell us in the example we have B is the middle proportional between N and C. C middle proportional then, and M here not equal 0. Then A will be B times M. No, we can cancel this, but write C1 unknown here. A equals Cm power 2 and B equals Cm. Then we have here A minus B over A minus C. A here Cm power 2 subtract by B was Cm over A subtract by C. A here was Cm power 2 subtract by the constant C here. And then we can write C height common factor between two terms here and write M, and the result here M minus 1, and the denominator write C and the difference M power 2 minus 1. You can cancel C by C and complete this example to simplest form, factorizing this expression. Write here M multiplication by M minus 1, and here M minus 1 multiplication by M plus 1. And then you can simplify it by cancel M minus 1 by M minus 1. Then the result in the simplest form, it will be M over M plus 1. It's the simplest form about this expression. And we have here P over P plus C. B here equals Cm. B plus C, right? B here Cm plus C. And then you can write C height common factor between two terms in denominator, write C here, and the result here M plus 1, and here Cm. Cancel C by C here, since the result will be M over M plus 1. It's the result here, okay? So left hand side, it will be equal right hand side, it will be M over M plus 1. Next question. Question number 4. Letter E. The opposite figure f of x, the function equal m subtract by x power 2. Here's the function here. It's m, the constant here was 4. Okay, 4 parts. Then the value of m here, it will be 4. Okay, because if we put the point here is the function from this point we called A, and here P, and here C, and this point O. This point it will be 0 and x. We can put this point here for units. He tell us about the example OA equal 4 units. Equal 4 units. Then the point A, the order of it equals 0 and 4. Then we must put this example here. Y equal m subtract by x power 2. Then the point A belonging to this straight line, it will be satisfied it. Okay, because this point belongs to the curve of the function, satisfies the equation. Then we can write x equals 0 and y equal 4 here. Okay, you know y was 4. Y was the function f of x, it's y. Then you can write 4 equal, write x equals 0, then m minus 0 equal 4, then m here will be equal 4. Then f of x will be 4 subtract by x power 2. Or from look at this curve cut from y dash 4 parts, then the constant here will be 4 and the negative it's reversed, the curve opened down and the drawing up. And then you want to find the coordinate about B and C. Okay, we can find the coordinate about B and C about this example by put the point in this example 4 subtract by x power 2. We have C and B, and the vertex here 0 and 4 was falling to this interval, so it will be satisfy this equation, and we will have here this point will be x and 0 and here negative x and 0. We can find the point by but put the point here x and 0 to this function because it will be satisfies the equation, and the point B belonging to the interval it will be satisfies. Okay, B is the order of it x and 0. Put x here and y equals 0, then 0 will be 4 minus x power 2, then x will be a positive or negative 2. Then the point C, the order of it will be negative 2 and 0, and point B will be 2 and 0. Okay, we have 2 points here. Find the area of triangle whose vertices ABC. We can find the area about this vertices. First, we can find the space CP. About lengths, here we have a 2 sides and 2 sides in this triangle. The base will be 2 plus 2, it will be 4 side lengths, and the height 4. So the area about this triangle will be half times the base times the height times base times height. Half times 4 equal 2, 2 times 4 it will be 8 square units. Okay, it's the area, it will be 8 square units here about this triangle. Next question, letter B. If the function, if relation between R from R, we have the function here, and f of x equal to x plus a, and if equal 9, find the value of a. Then we must put x here equal 3 and the result will be 9. 2 multiplication the value of x plus a equal 9, then 2 times 3 6, 6 plus a equal 9, then a equal 3 because 3 plus 6 equal 9, the value of a. Question number 1. And question number 2, finds the coordinate of the intersection point of the straight line representation the function of x-axis. Coordinate is the following here. Intersection with x-axis, put y equals 0. This example, so this function will be f of x was 2x plus a. He tell us this function cut off x-axis, its meaning y will be equal 0. This order such that x is 0, but y here equals 0 in this example. Okay, then 2x plus a equals 0, and a give us here, or we found a equal 3. Then put in this example y it will be what, 2x plus 3, and y here versus 2 function, then 0 equal to x plus 3. Okay, he won't find the coordinate of the intersection point of the straight line represents the function of x-axis. Okay, we want to find this part equal what, so this point x and 0 satisfies this equation. Put x here and y equals 0, then we can move 3 to the left hand side, it will be negative 3 over 2x, then x equal negative 3 over 2. It's the value here of x equal negative 3 over 2. Okay, then this order about this point, it will be the coordinate, it will be negative 3 over 2 and 0. Understood? He tell us in the example, this straight line intersection with x-axis, it's meaning y equals 0. Put y equals 0 here to find the value of x. To find the value of x, it means negative 3 over 2, then the order negative 3 over 2 and 0. Okay, question 5, number A. If x over 2 equal y over 3 equals z over 4 equal 2x minus y plus 5z over 3m finds the value of m. Okay, to find the value of m, you must using the steps here about this example, multiplying two terms in the first proportional by 2, okay, and multiply by -1 left hand side, second term, numerator and denominator, and multiply 5 numerator and denominator about 5 terms. So multiplying the two terms of first ratio by 5 by 2, and multiply the second term here by what? By -1, and multiply 5 by numerator and denominator the third term, the third ratio here, first, second, third. Okay, so the result will be 1. We can write first multiplication by 2, add 2, 5 multiplication by third ratio, and adding to negative multiplication and -1 times second term, second ratio, multiplication by -1, and add 2. The result will be what? Each ratio giving the ratio, giving one of the ratio. Okay, we can use the rule here, and then add them. Right here 2x over 4, -y and -3, and 5z, and 5 times 4 12. Then we can write 2x subtracted by y plus 5z over 4 minus 3 1 plus 20 21. It will be equal one of the given ratio, one of the given ratio. Okay, one of the given ratio between the results. So we can write equal this example by 2x minus y plus 5z. He gives us one of the given ratio, such that this, it will be 3m, numerator equal numerator, then numerator equal numerator, then 21 equal 3m, then m here it will be 7. 21 divided by 3 equal 7. Then the value of m equals 7. Okay, then we multiplying the two terms of the first ratio by 2, and the second by -1, and the third by 5, and adding the antecedent and consequent of the three ratios. We call it antecedent and consequence. Add them to find the result equal one of the given ratio, and comparing between one of the given ratio here and the result, the numerator equal numerator and numerator equal numerator, then 3m equal 21, then m equal 7 here. Find the standard deviation of the values here. Question number 2. We can find the standard deviation here. About letter B, we have the values for 8, 12, 10, 6, and then we can find the x bar, sum of its values, 8 plus 4 plus 12 plus 10 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 12, 24, and here 16 over 5. The result will be 40 over 5, will be 8. Then 8 here x bar, it's the mean, and then draw the table, divide its three parts, x and x subtract x bar, x subtract x bar all power 2. Right here 4, 8, 12, 10, and 6. X subtract x bar here 8. 4 minus 8 minus 4. 8 minus 8 0. 12 minus 8 4. 10 minus 8, 2. 6 minus 8, negative 2. And negative 4 power 2, 16. 0 power 2, 4 power 2, 2 power 2, negative 2 power 2, 4. Then you can find the sum of all values. 16 plus 32. 32 plus 8, it will be 40. Then sigma will be square root of sum of x minus x bar power 2 divided the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 40 divided by 5 equal 8. Square root of 8. Square root of 8 here, it will be 2 root 2, it will be 2.8. 2.8 and 3. Approximated to the nearest what here? We don't know. Okay. Result will be 2.8 and 2. It's result about sigma.